Everybody, good morning. It's Wednesday. Wednesday, February 5th. Um Nice. hmm. 4 hour fair value gap. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know where price is gonna go. We could go either way. My bias honestly is 50-50. I'm gonna see what, order, like so far we've been moving higher, so even on like the 15 minute, we're still moving higher. So I'm looking for longs just because of that. I don't really know until where. ES is trading within this 15 minute and NQ hasn't yet, so maybe up until here. And then who knows? But we do have an S&T, I think. Like we have like hourly ones, but yeah, like we have hourly S&Ts, but whatever. This is all kind of like low resistance liquidity that we might just want to run through. So gonna I'm not really gonna mark out any SMTs. I mean, we do have like a little 1 minute one where ES took out this 830 wick and NQ hasn't. Oh, actually looked good, and then there's that. But I'm chilling. I'm not really seeing a whole lot, so I'm just gonna end this. I'm gonna resume when price opens up, and I end up seeing something forming. We do have news though. I think at 10. Yeah, we have PMI. So we gotta see how that goes. But I'm gonna see you guys when market opens. Literally, and I was gonna take a trade here, but we literally were moving sideways, so we didn't. So whatever. Okay. I'm gonna see you guys when price opens. Because every little thing is gonna be alright. Wavy. Alright, if we inverse this 30-second, we could enter, because that'll give me another confluence on top of being in the 1 minute bearish gap to go short. Mm. We might want to tap into um 2 minute first. But we don't have to. I'm not in this yet, guys. Actually, I think I'm recording this. You guys can see it. Yeah. You guys will see me actually take a live trade. Because my bias right now is lower, at least until, like, what is this? London's low. We have this huge 1 minute gap. We're not going to have anything on the 3 minute. We do have a 2 minute fair value gap. But we gotta wait. And we inversed it.
Order filled.
Stop loss, it should be at this high. And then take profits are down there. We could actually, to minimize risk, we could put it there. See what happens. This is 21 points. Am I gonna get stopped out? Oh shit, maybe. Oh, I didn't take it on this other account either. Whoops. Why can't really see? I'm gonna go break even maybe here. Uh, break even. We're holding the. Am I entering on Apex? We'll enter on Apex if it'll let me. Ah, there's a 3 minute. I don't like that. I don't like how there's a 3 minute gap because we might want to trade into it. Yeah, what did I say?
Order filled.
Damn. And I knew it that we wanted to. This wasn't even a bad trade. Like that loss wasn't a bad loss. But now that we tapped into this 30 second or 3 minute, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I don't give a shit about the Apex account. I don't even know how much this is gonna be. 450 points ish. Um, problem is there's nothing to really enter off of on top step. God damn it. That was a stupid fucking loss. You know, that was a stupid loss. I don't think it was a stupid. Who just put in a huge order? Someone just put in a huge order down there. Um, like we tapped into this. If you were gonna enter, you would have entered right on the 3 minute. Now, I don't really know. I don't know. Now, any moment we might just flush. Because I don't think we hit the level on ES yet either. Oh, we did. Oh no, we didn't. London's lows are down here. So that wasn't a stupid trade. What could have I done better? I don't know. 1 minute for I mean my stop loss should have been, since I'm taking it off for this 1 minute, it should have been up there. But I didn't want to risk that much. Where is my original entry? 518. Damn, this is really bad. Is it 518 on the dot? Yeah. Damn. Is this 518 right now? Can't. Trying to move it a little bit. It won't. There we go. So it would have been down 15. But I mean, we're moving sideways. Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Looking for shorts here is not a bad idea. I mean, my stop loss is pretty tight, but what are you gonna do? Stopped out. Bam. All right, guys, we might have another trade here. I'm waiting. We swept out hourly highs. We swept out Asian's high. We're in an hourly fair value gap. We were extremely bullish here with big wicks. We have a 5 minute change in the state where we just now got a 5 minute fair value gap. We got a change in the state on the three. Like all, we got a change in the state on all the time frames. So you literally could enter right now. And we tapped into it on the 3 minute. So if I short here, stop loss is there. Something like this. I don't want to enter because it's 7 points away. Five points. If it gets to like around maybe three-ish, I'll enter. Oh, I should have entered right on the fair value gap, and I was literally going to. Is this a stupid trade? Good thing I didn't fucking take it. It's running to my stop. I mean, to be fair though, your stop loss should be at this 5 minute high. What are we doing, dude? There's no like 156 minutes. There's no like big uh um fair value gap or anything here support. I mean, we tapped into this one, like a little 1 minute one. Shit, I didn't take this yet. And I have marked out a 30 minute high or a 30 minute low. Shit, we're not gonna get it. We actually gotta wait, but god damn. Why? I thought this looks pretty good. High time frame, fair value gap, liquidity sweep, we swept out Asia's high. This only wouldn't work because I guess the draw on liquidity is high. You know? Like if you were looking, we didn't technically inverse yet. We do have a 1 minute bullish gap. Now, if this gets inverse, that could be another confluence. To me, to go short, it should bullish. If I do take this inverse, it would look something like this. And you could go break even here. I really don't want us to see us inverse the gap. We inversed the 3 minute, but I mean it's hard. We tapped it back into change in the state on the 1 minute. If you entered just over the change in the state and tapping it, you were up 40 points. That trade idea is invalid. Good thing I didn't fucking take it. I was going to. What am I down on top step? 640. That's a fucking lot, man. Damn it, dude. The trade's not. I don't know why we didn't. I don't know why it's not working. The chart here just looks extremely fucking messy. Let me stop this because fuck, I'm not taking anything. All right, guys, I'm back. I took a trade. It's working. Let me tell you my confluences. So I saw that we were coming up, and I was like, okay, the obvious draw on liquidity are these highs. So I was like, what can I enter off of? And I saw that we had this 1 minute, where? This 3 minute fair value gap, which we respected and moved higher. Like he could have entered there, but I missed it. We had this 1 minute, and I wanted to wait to see how we reacted. And once we closed, like once we wicked up or wicked down and came back up and closed up here, I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this a shot. Why? Because I was only risking 10 points. I was like, I'm fine with this stopping me out if it wants to. But I wanted to take profit at these highs, and I did. And I also noticed that if you look to the left and you kind of scroll back a little bit, this is a 3 and a 5 minute fair value gap. They're lined up perfectly right here. So I was like, let me actually go like this. Limit so we'll do 3 here. Have the rest. I'll target higher. If it wants to run up, I'll let it run up. But I was like, if we inverse this 5 and 3 minute, we are definitely hitting my take profits. So I was like, all right. So I came back and I did enter before we inversed it, and we still haven't even inversed it yet. But, um, hey, it's fucking working out. So I kind of want to move my stops. I might just take profit. I would need 1,400 bucks to pass. It's not nice to think about that because I'm thinking about the money, but I don't mind having it where we. We're gonna see. I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna update you guys when the trade's over. I'm gonna see you guys probably a lot later. Quick update. P&L is at 684. My balance is at 51,624. If I want to pass my account tomorrow, 51 what? 624. I need third. Oh, I thought I would do. I thought it was more than that, but I need 1,400 bucks. If you want to be exact, I need 1376, which would be my highest day yet. But whatever. The trade ended up getting stopped out. I actually ended up closing it up here. For that's not what I meant to click. That's not what I meant to click. I closed it out. For 131, dude, one contract. It's crazy. But 100, so that's like 60 something points. I saw this trade, never ended up actually taking it, but 30-minute fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap. We had a 3-minute change in the state. Bam. And I don't know what this fair value gap was. It was a little 1 minute, but we're fucking around. I'm done today. I think the target for today has been hit. We hit yesterday's high. I think the target for today has been hit. I'm sure there will be maybe some other nice moves later on, but with the but with the goal of today, I think the market completed its goal in sweeping out this high. And then going into tonight or later this evening, and then tonight we might get a little retracement to then target higher because market overall has been pretty bullish. We're respecting these 4-hour fair value gaps. We're respecting this order block really well. This would be your order block. Bam to bam. And we respected it fucking beautifully and went higher. So price is bullish right now. So going into the rest of the week, I'm gonna be bullish. I'm not gonna lie. Tomorrow's Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. We have unemployment claims at 8:30 and then nothing. So we should be, and then Friday looks pretty good to trade as well. So we should be good. So the Express account is gone. Not Express account, but the combine is done. We're getting pretty close to passing. And it's only how many days have I been trading on this combine? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. It's gonna take 10 days to pass this bitch if I pass it tomorrow. That's insane. I had a loss, a break even, a win, a loss, a win, a win, a break even, and then a win, and then a win again. So, but those losses, man, I don't even remember what the fuck they were on. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.